Guys, creating animated avatars used to take hours of editing, expensive software, or even hiring someone. Well, what if I told you there's a way to do it in just a few clicks, using artificial intelligence? I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel, where I make smart tutorials. Today we're diving into CapCut's AI avatar tools. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create, customize, and share your own AI avatars for social media or any project. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's get started. Alright guys, so let's take a deep dive into CapCut's AI avatar tools. There are so many of them here. We have got video translation, AI dialogue scene, AI fashion model. You can also generate videos and images using CapCut. Let's start with the dialogue scene feature. First, I'll upload my photo, and we can add dialogue to it. When you upload a photo, the system automatically detects the characters in the image. Folks, you can see that right here. The AI recognizes who's in the photo and prepares it for animation. Pretty cool, right? Now let's choose a voice. There are many options available. You can click More Voice to browse through all the available voices. There are different accents and tones to choose from. I'll pick Valentino.
Welcome to this AI avatar tutorial in CapCut.
Great, let's go with him. I like how his voice sounds. Now I'll hit Generate, and as you can see, it's applying the changes. The AI is processing everything now. Let's wait for the result. And after it's done, we'll check out what we got.
Welcome to this AI avatar tutorial in CapCut. Today, we'll explore how machine learning algorithms can transform a simple video into a dynamic talking avatar.
What's cool here is that it's not just the facial expressions. You also get natural hand movements. Everything flows really smoothly and looks surprisingly lifelike. We can export this video and save it to our folder with these settings. Guys, what's great is that CapCut automatically suggests the video size for TikTok, so we can go ahead and do that. Now let's create another avatar scene project and try making a promo for an educational video. This is perfect for tutorial content. I'll upload my photo again. The characters are detected automatically, just like before. For this video, folks, I can choose a different voice to give it a unique feel. For example, I'll pick Tom's voice.
Hello students. Today we'll explore how AI neural networks create digital face representations.
Let's hit Generate and wait for the result. And here's what we got.
Hello students. Today we'll explore how AI neural networks create digital face representations.
The avatar looks professional and works great for tutorials or educational content. We can also export this one and find it in our folder. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks. The next tool I want to try is the video translator, and this one is really impressive. Here I can upload a video. Let's use the video from our previous generation. And let's say I want to translate it to Arabic or any other language. There are quite a lot of options here. CapCut supports dozens of languages. I'll turn on the lip sync feature, which match the lip movements to the new language. This makes the translation look natural. Accept the terms, confirm the credit usage, and wait for the result. And look, our video is ready. Let's preview it.
مرحبا أيها الطلاب. اليوم سنستكشف كيف تقوم الشبكات العصبية للذكاء الاصطناعي بإنشاء تمثيلات رقمية للوجوه.
And now it's fully in Arabic. This is a great tool for reaching international audiences. Let's export this one too. Now guys, let's try the AI fashion model feature, which can turn your clothing photo into a model image. This is perfect for showcasing clothing. I'll upload the clothing photo here. Let's use this dress. We can also choose from many models available. There are different styles to pick from. I'll pick this one. Accept the permissions and hit Generate. First, folks, we see the photo of our model being generated. The dress fits perfectly. We can save this image. And we can also generate a video based on this. Let's choose a pose. The model can walk or strike different poses. I'll pick this one and hit Generate. And let's preview the result after generation. And the result is pretty decent. The model's movements are smooth and the dress looks nice. You can use this for social media or product pages. CapCut's AI features can also be used to generate images or videos from scratch. This is great for creative projects. So folks, let's create an image using a prompt. Let me try Cyberpunk Cat Hacker with this prompt. We can upload a reference if we want, or we can choose a model. I'll select the latest model. And for aspect ratio, I'll choose 9:16. This is perfect for generating TikTok images or videos. Hit generate and wait for the result. And I would say it's pretty neat. I like the amount of detail here. Even better, the AI gives us 4 variations of this Cyberpunk Hacker Cat, so you can pick your favorite. Now, based on this image, I want to generate an AI video. Folks, this is where it gets really cool. I'll import this image and describe what I want to see in the video. I'll use the latest model, choose the duration and aspect ratio, then hit generate and wait for the result. Let's see what we got. The animation looks fun, the cat is moving and even making sounds. Let's hit export and save this video. Alright guys, that's a wrap on CapCut's AI avatar tools. Honestly, this is such a game changer. You can create animated avatars, add voices and make them talk in different languages, all in just a few clicks. It's super fast, easy to use, and opens up so many creative possibilities. If you have been curious about making AI avatars for your social media, tutorials, or just for fun, I definitely recommend giving it a try, folks. Play around with the features, test different voices and avatars, and see what kind of videos you can create. And before we wrap up, if you want to try this out yourself, you can download the CapCut desktop version using the link in the description below. It's free to install, so go check it out and start creating right away. I'd love to hear from you. What avatar would you make first? If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Until next time.